So a lot of you guys have been leaving me comments asking how I make money while living in my car since I don't have a job. And I'm gonna kind of give you guys a little insight on what I do. So I got a few side hustles, of course. You never want to have one source of income. We all learned that last year. And I never really did have one source of income just because I lived in big cities, LA, Atlanta. You got to have more than one job to survive. So what I do now after moving in my car is DoorDash and Instacart. The number one source of income is DoorDash, though. The reason why I like DoorDash is because it's the app that you download. You go through a quick little background check and it's good to go. Nobody has to see your car. There's no in-person talking. It's just boom. You sign up, you get approved. Within a couple of days, you're able to start making money. They send you a debit card that you may need to do transactions while you're out here working. And it's good money, you guys. You can make anywhere from easily $100 a day or more if you put in the time. And the reason why I like it is because you're in control. You're an independent contractor. You're not an employee. You pick the hours you want to work. You accept or decline the orders you're going to go pick up. And to me, it's a win-win. If I don't want to go to a certain area, I don't take that job. If I don't want to make $5 for delivering somebody's food, I don't take that job. And I wait for high-paying customers because I believe in abundance and I believe I deserve the best. And that's just my method. So Instacart's really good too. It's the same process, you guys. You download the app, you sign up, go through the background check. They send you a debit card. You go shopping for people at the grocery stores. You make at least $10 an order, for real. And if you like grocery shopping and you just want to spend time like listening to music while you're doing stuff, podcast or whatever is perfect. That's why I like DoorDash. I can live in my car, have all my stuff in my car, and easily go pick up some food from whatever restaurant and go drop it off without anybody even noticing anything different. You know, I look like a regular DoorDasher. And it's cool because you can make a lot of money, you guys. I try to make at least $8 per order. I don't do anything below that. If I do, it's because it's a really short distance, like a mile. And I'll take something that's like $6. Other than that, I make at least $8 per order. And I don't do anything that's going to take me longer than 30 minutes. So you do the math. You know, you can make $20 an hour. I've made $25 an hour before doing DoorDash. And it's one of the best ways to make money, you guys. It really is. It's gig work. I've done them all. I've done Uber. That sucks. You have people in your car. Lyft, same thing. You got people in your car. I've done Postmates. I don't think Postmates exist anymore because I think they got bought by Uber. And I've done Grubhub. And these are my top favorite is DoorDash and Instacart. You can make so much money. People are lazy. They don't want to leave their houses. They don't want to go anywhere. And it's increased since the virus because, you know, people don't want to leave their houses and stuff. So make money off of lazy people. And it's good because it's a tax write-off. So the mileage you drive, your cell phone, any supplies you buy for the gig work and gas is all a tax write-off. So at the end of the year, your taxes you're going to benefit from doing gig work. And there's a lot of other people who actually promote this. If you follow Timothy Ward, it's another guy who lives in his car and he does like seasonal work. He'll tell you can do all this stuff too. It's changed his life. It's changed my life. I will never go back to a 9 to 5 or whatever hours I had to work at any job. I will never do it again because it's not needed. I don't care about benefits. I don't care about the vacation, paid time off. I don't care about any of that. I just care about me being in control of my life and having freedom of time and feeling good when I'm working. And if I don't feel good, I'm not working, period. That's how it should be. So I'm going to leave my referral code in the description box, you guys. If you guys want to sign up, I think you'll get something and I'll get something too. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It'll tell you when you click it and stuff. But yeah, it's a good little thing to do. I recommend everybody does it. Even if you have a full-time job, like I said, it's going to help with your taxes and it's going to help you make some extra income. I hope you guys find this helpful. I'll probably do another video on my other side hustles because they're more of like my passions. It's hair, food, and a few things like that I do where I make money as well. So I'll probably do another video on that, but it's just, I wanted to let you guys know about it. And that's how I make my money. And this is how I've changed my life. And this is how I'm happy right now, you guys, because I'm not doing anything that I don't want to do anymore. That's the key to life, is doing something that you like doing, or don't do it at all. I'll see you guys in the next video.